morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. It's a little later in the day. It's 11:10. Alexander, he actually needs to fix this clock. It ran out of battery and he put new batteries in and changed the time, but it's an hour behind. So it says 10:12, but right now it's actually 11:12. I'm gonna make some overnight chai with this oat beverage that I got from Trader Joe's yesterday. It's not oat milk, and I did a quick test run. I did 1 jar of overnight oats with this yesterday, and I had that for breakfast this morning, and it's good. I would prefer milk, but I don't want to waste this, and it's just oat. It's like oat juice. So the only thing that I'm missing is vanilla extract, but you can just bypass that, honestly. So you have oats, you have chia seeds, ground cinnamon, chai concentrate, and oat milk, almond milk, or in this case, oat beverage. Yeah, this morning has been a very slow-paced morning. I just woke up earlier and went to my chiro. Came back home and just watched some TLC shows. Currently watching some Vlogmas videos right now, but I took a little break. The neighbors across the street are getting their roof changed, so there was a lot of commotion earlier. I think they're taking a break now because it's quiet all of a sudden. It's making Mega bark a lot. And I'm like, shut up! I'm still dealing with a congested nose, allergies for almost a month now, and it's so annoying. I have no plans today. Obviously, I can't go anywhere. I don't have a car. Staying home, relaxing. It's a beautiful sunny day again. I'm gonna go take Menace out for a walk later after I give them lunch, tire them out, and I might just take Mega out for a walk too. I wish I could walk them at the same time, but that's impossible. There's no way I can do that. 1 jar down, 1 more to go. Done. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this for today. The lemon chicken and arugula salad. Yeah, I accidentally dumped all of these croutons in the salad. It wasn't supposed to be this much croutons that I wanted to add, but you know, it's okay, whatever. Nothing's worse than eating with a completely stuffy nose. It's hard to breathe, so you're chewing with your mouth open, but the salad was good. Obviously, I killed it. Day 5. Okay, where is 5? Is down here. Ooh. More circle treats. I gotta cut my toes off because they're crusty. Here you go, Mega. Good boys. And here you go. Happy Vlogmas. Alright, I got back from walking Menace first. I wanted to walk Mega first, but then I realized he was already taking out in the back 3 times this morning, and Menace has only been out there once, so I was like, okay, Menace needs to go before Mega. So I'm back. We did a full hour today again. Very good walk. I'm tired myself, but I think it's just my back. My back's still hurting from yesterday. But I'm gonna take a quick body rinse because I sweated through this, and I need to put this damn hoodie in the dirty clothes now. So I'm gonna take a quick body rinse. Lucinae texted me. We're gonna FaceTime, and she's gonna pack up her stuff because if you guys don't know, Alexander's family, Lucinae and their mom, they're coming here in 2 days to visit, and they're staying until New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna be chit-chatting with her while she's doing the packing, and it'll be fun. So yeah, that's my plans right now, and I just might afterwards take Mega for a walk. It all depends on how I feel, because he does need a walk. If anything, he loves to just go in the backyard and run around. He's okay being in the backyard by himself. He can be there for like an hour just running around, barking. He does laps around the backyard. Versus Menace, he's not like that. So anyways, I'm gonna go shower now. I'm sweaty. That was a good walk. Ah! struggle of packing. You did it. Do not open it again. She packed a carry-on. She's swinging it.
Yeah, this could hurt somebody if I threw this at them. You know, look who you're looking at.
Oh, what? Okay, listen, they inspired me to clean today. I was going to clean tomorrow, but I'm going to clean today. We're both going to clean today. We're still on FaceTime.
Yeah.
Going to make sure this room is spotless for when they arrive on Thursday. Spotless. So I'm going to go ahead and strip the bed and throw it into the washer. I'm still FaceTiming Lucine. Eric is home and he got some Thai food for us. Thank you. What did you get? Fried rice?
Yep.
Ooh. I got pad Thai with beef. Ooh, I gotta get some sriracha. It's funny you're gonna be watching all of this tomorrow on my video. Yeah, this is a lot of food, so probably gonna save the rest for lunch tomorrow. It's steaming up. See that? Okay, it's been a couple of hours later. Everything is washed and clean. Took a nice shower. I was sweating. Are you guys a sweater when you clean? Because I do. When I clean, I get super sweaty. But let's go ahead and put the bed sheets back on. Yay for a clean room. It's all ready for his family. I'm still waiting on the blanket to dry to cover this couch. But other than that, everything is clean. Clean new pillowcases. All the surfaces have been wiped down. Floors have been mopped. They're nice. So yeah, ready for their arrival. Eric finally put the screen protector on. I just love that. It's the private one, so you can't really see. Nobody can be all up in my business when I'm checking my phone. Here are my emails. See, you don't see it. I am so happy I decided to clean today. Thank you, Lucina, for inspiring me. We were both cleaning together on FaceTime. Yeah, that way tomorrow I can just relax. And not have to worry about it. That room is all clean. I also mopped the whole house.
VLOGMAS Day 5.
What do you want?
Domino's.
Domino's?
Domino's. Because I want a cheesy bread with pepperonis inside.
Oh my god, you're such a fatty. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Another super chill day at home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the cleaning session. I know a lot of people like to watch cleaning videos. I tried my best because this was my first time filming while trying to clean. It's hard because when I clean, I don't like to stop. I just go. But then you have to remember, oh shoot, I'm recording everything. So you gotta position the tripod and everything. Shout out to all those YouTubers and influencers who clean while filming because it's not easy. I'd rather be traveling and vlogging than cleaning and vlogging. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up please. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.